In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook Marketplace location, whether you're moving to a new area or simply want to explore what's available in a different region. Adjusting your marketplace location is a straightforward process that you can do in just a few steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Facebook. You can do this by opening your web browser or using the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on your main Facebook feed, which is like your home base to access various features Facebook has to offer. Next, look for the Marketplace icon. If you're on a desktop, this will typically be found on the menu along the left-hand side of your screen. On a mobile device, you might need to tap on the menu icon, often represented by three horizontal lines, which will then reveal the Marketplace option. Click on this to enter the Marketplace section. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll want to locate the Location button. This is usually at the top of the page on a desktop and might be under the Filter section if you're using the mobile app. This part is crucial because changing the location setting here will allow you to see listings relevant to the area of your choosing. After clicking on location, you'll be prompted to choose your desired location. Here's where you get specific. You can type in the name of the city or area you're interested in. A list might pop up with suggestions as you type, making it even easier to select the right spot. This feature helps Facebook better curate listings that are localized to your preferences. Once your location is set, you have the option to adjust the radius. The radius determines how far out from your chosen location you want to search. The larger the radius, the more listings you'll see from surrounding areas. This feature is particularly useful if you're in a densely populated area or if you're looking for niche items that might only appear with a broader search range. The final step in this process is to click on Apply. This button saves all the changes you've made and updates your marketplace view. Applying the changes immediately refreshes the listings you see and tailors them to your new settings. Once you've clicked Apply, take a look around at the new listings in your updated location. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively change your Facebook Marketplace location to explore new areas or find specific items. Remember, you can always change it back or to a new area if your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Facebook Marketplace.